Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the difference between a normal TV sound. I have a VU TV and I have recently purchased a Zebronics 3810 Pro soundbar that comes with inbuilt subwoofer and it's 100-watt sound output. So let's start with the TV volume and check the quality of the soundbar. So the TV volume is at 30. So let's start the video. Now comes the soundbar part, and the soundbar volume is almost 75%, that is 30. So let's start the video of soundbar. So that's all what today's video was about. So if you are planning to purchase the soundbar, it is a good option under 6K and the sound is really good as compared to normal TV. It makes the difference because the speakers are lateral to you when you sit in the room and the TV speakers are downward. So that will make a difference. I think it's a good purchase. So thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.